Good Sunday morning, white shaving enthusiasts and newbies. Welcome into the rabbit hole with Cal Shaves. Today is Sunday, October 21st. What I'd like to do is to say thanks to help you guys getting me to the 50 subscriber mile marker, and I'd like to do a giveaway. What we're doing, this is open to Canadian and US residents. I am Canadian. Is I'm going to give away a full sleeve of my favorite blades. You guys have heard me talk about these Lash Gods 100 blades. Also, Linda Janes of Purely Skinful is making waves in the community by producing amazing soaps. I haven't yet tried them. I've got a few samples. I'm going to do a shave later this afternoon with one that'll be posted hopefully maybe tomorrow. But what I decided to do is throw in 2 tubs of her new soaps. These are 3.75 ounce tubs. Beef tallow. These bigger ones. She does have deer tallow as well. And I'll put a link to her Facebook page in the description down below. This one is sweet cherry pie. And I'm not even a big fan of cherry pie, but I love the smell of this stuff. You can see her stamp in it. Also in the giveaway is bullwhip again. Beef tallow, 3.7 ounce or 7.5 ounce tub. Her stamp in it. And this one is zesty lime, sweet orange, lemon, bergamot, leafy olive branch, patchouli, leather, and soft musk. And what I'm asking you guys to do is just in the comments below, just type I'm in. Now, next Sunday, the 28th, around 5 o'clock Eastern time is the plan, is to do one of those random number or random name generators. I've never used the software before. My girlfriend and I were looking at it. It looks fairly straightforward, but I'll use that. Out of the people that comment below, and whichever name comes up, we'll get this, and I'll probably throw in a few extras. I've got some extra brushes and blades and different things. So it's my way of saying thank you guys to subscribing. I've only been in this for a few weeks and it has taken off really, really well. And I appreciate you guys taking the time to tune in once a week when I get my videos up. You know, and of course, I always appreciate new subscribers. So this has been a fantastic few weeks. It's been hectic trying to keep up with it, but it's been awesome. So anyway, guys, that's the plan. Do a 50 subscriber giveaway, 2 tubs, plus 100 pack of blades. And then like probably some extras. Open to Canada, US, just write I'm in the comments down below. That's what I've seen other guys who do these giveaways do. We'll get the software figured out, and hopefully if everything goes according to plan, that draw will happen this coming Sunday, the 28th at about 5 p.m. Eastern time, so it'll be 6 o'clock Atlantic, and whatever time zone you're in, you can do the math. Anyway, guys, I really appreciate you taking the time, and as always, comments, suggestions, good, bad, indifferent, are always appreciated. So, wait, you guys have yourself a fantastic weekend, and check out my next video. Hopefully be posted tomorrow. And that will be using also Purely Skinful. It will be Smooth Operator. And I'll also be using Shake Micromatic Open Comb, which is a first. I've had it for a while, just haven't had a chance to use it. So, wait, hopefully that'll be up in a couple of days, and hope you guys will tune in and watch it. Wait, you guys take care. Have a fantastic weekend. Bye-bye.